Hey guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you guys how I prepared the most awesome meal for my family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook. It's Callie J's Kitchen, and also on Instagram it's CallieKitchen_1. So this is the pot that I'm gonna prepare my awesome Callaloo and Frankfurter rice in. So I'm gonna go in and add some chopped onion, some scallion. I will also add my Scotch Bonnet pepper and also my garlic. Now if you have bell peppers at home, you can always go in and add some bell peppers, and you can always go ahead and add a piece of thyme. I like to add a piece of French thyme, but because I was a little bit lazy, I decided that I'm gonna forget about the French thyme business, but we're still gonna make this meal work. All right, so we're gonna saute this for roughly about 2 minutes because we don't want it to be too soft. All right, so after 2 minutes, it's time to go in and add my Callaloo. Remember guys, to always wash your Callaloo with salt water. All right, I like to do it. I have my grandparents, that's what they did. My mother, that's what she did. So listen, I'm just gonna follow in their footsteps. I'm gonna wash my Callaloo with my salt. All right, so once I combine both the Callaloo and all the seasoning together, I'm going to go in, add a piece of butter, and then I'm going to also go in and add my black pepper. And I will not be using any salt in this recipe because I'm going to use some of my all-purpose seasoning. And of course, you know, the all-purpose seasoning contains a lot of salt and we don't want too much salt in our diet, okay? So once I added all of that, I'm going to go in and add my Frankfurters, all right? Guys, listen, you don't have to use the Frankfurter. If you have other meat at home, you can always go ahead and use other meat, all right? Or if you have a piece of saltfish, you can always go ahead and add a piece of saltfish. Combine all of that together, and I like to leave it for a minute or two. You guys don't necessarily have to leave it, but I like to leave it, all right? So this is it after after 3 minutes, roughly after 3 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in and I'm going to add some of the water, and I'm using warm water. Guys, always make sure that you have some warm water nearby, all right, just in case. I also went ahead and added some of my coconut milk powder, and of course I'm going to combine all of this together and I'm going to leave it for roughly another 5 minutes to cook, all right, on low heat. Remember now, low heat. So we're gonna leave it because of course we want our Callaloo to cook before we add the rice, and we also want the coconut milk powder to cook as well. As you can see, I went in and add just a small amount of black pepper again. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, this is it. So I'm gonna go in and add my wash rice. Now I'm using white Alberta rice. If you guys have brown rice at home or any other brand rice, you can always go ahead and use the rice that you have at home. Alright, remember to use whatever you have at home and just utilize whatever resource you have at home. Whatever you have, just use it. Alright, don't worry yourself about anything. This is a really low budget meal and it tastes so good. Your family will enjoy it. So of course we want to combine all of that together. The rice, the Callaloo, and the Frankfurters. And of course I'm going to pour some of the warm water over it, and then I'm going to cover it and leave it to cook. And of course, you guys know that I love to leave it until most of the water evaporated. Then I love to go in and add a piece of foil paper over my rice. That will allow my rice to be shelly, because we don't want any plaka rice around here. We want shelly, nice rice. All right. So we're just gonna cover this and leave it. And I left this for roughly another 7 minutes, all right, on low heat. So I'm going to put the foil paper over it and just leave it on low heat as it is. And then I'm gonna pour some of the water on top of the foil paper, cover it, and then show you guys in a couple minutes. So here you have it, guys, my Callaloo rice with Frankfurter, and it's really easy and simple. I'm gonna serve this up and show you guys the final product. And there you have it, guys, the final product of my Callaloo rice with Frankfurter. I hope you guys enjoy this one, and I hope you guys try it out with your family. Remember to tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.